Plus, governments around the world are offering rebates and tax breaks, and more cars are designed to fit into city life. The future? Longer ranges, faster charging, and even more options under $20,000. Charging networks are expanding fast, and budget EVs will soon have tech like smart route planning and AI features that used to be premium only. So which one would you pick? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more on the latest affordable and eco-friendly cars. Thanks for watching. Welcome to 2025, where luxury cars are more than just fast, shiny status symbols. Today it's about the experience, technology, comfort, and innovation that rival private jets. We're diving into the flagships and innovators redefining what it means to travel first class on wheels. From all-electric powerhouses to sedans with rear-seat movie theaters, we'll break down the tech and craftsmanship that set these cars apart. These aren't just vehicles. They're personal sanctuaries designed for ultimate comfort and style. Ready to see the future of luxury driving? Let's get started. This is my list of the top luxury cars of 2025. First up, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the gold standard of luxury sedans. For 2025, it's smarter and more comfortable, blending electrification with classic refinement. Plug-in hybrid options let you cruise silently in the city, with a powerful engine ready for longer trips. Inside, ambient lighting and wellness seats create a lounge-like atmosphere. The optional M-Bucks Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass display, uses AI to anticipate your needs. In the back, the executive rear seat package transforms the S-Class into a mobile office or private cinema, complete with reclining seats and a fridge. Air suspension and adaptive damping deliver a ride so smooth, it feels like you're floating. The S-Class remains a masterclass in comfort and innovation. Is it still the benchmark? With this blend of tradition and tech, absolutely. Mercedes proves luxury is about thoughtful execution, not just opulence. The S-Class continues to set the standard for what a flagship sedan should be. It's timeless, yet always ahead of its time. That's why it's still in the conversation. Let's see how the competition stacks up. Enter the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the brand's first fully electric masterpiece. This isn't just a car, it's a statement that